Everyone, it's Jennifer with Tarlespeech with your tip on how to pronounce a suffix today. Our suffix today is MENT, and we are going to pronounce MENT as munt, and it's going to be an unstressed syllable. So to say this syllable, we're going to start with the M sound. To do this, put your lips together. Air is going to move out of your nose. Next, open your mouth. It's going to be relaxed, tongue in the middle of your mouth for a short sound. Then touch the tip of your tongue to the back of your top front teeth for that N. Air is moving out of your nose. Then quickly shift the air to coming out of your mouth as you pull your tongue down away from your teeth. Munt, 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 munt. And we hear this in the words adjustment, development, punishment, replacement, amusement, amazement, encouragement, and refreshment. If you say an ent or an int at the end for that short E or that short I, totally fine. You just want that to be an unstressed, shorter vowel sound at the end of the word in that suffix. So one more time. Adjustment, amusement, development, amazement, punishment, encouragement, replacement, and refreshment. So give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. If you found this helpful, we would love it if you shared us with your friends. If you need more help, you can check out our products on Google Play, iTunes, and our classes at Tarlespeech. Thanks so much, everyone.